Welcome back to Tail Talk, where your stress will completely disappear. Put your deadlines aside. Now, we are going to check out how cute our wild friends are. Let's roll.
It's so exciting!
When fear gives way to understanding, a deep connection of the soul is born. Beluga be like, finally, a baby who actually wants to play instead of crying.
Good boy, Charmin. That's a good baby. Good boy.
The moment his caretaker starts cuddling him, this tapir can't hide his happy smile.
Yes, thank you. So nice.
What happens when a wild predator meets a warm embrace? Here is the answer. Aw.
Yummy!
Just up and down. Just up and down.
Happy.
He's happy, isn't he?
Feel better.
He feels better now.
Yeah.
Isn't that lovely? Oh, do you love Thumper?
Yeah.
Do you love Blissy?
Looks like this majestic creature has something to say. What do you think it is?
I'm just holding him on his neck. Hiya, Jack.
Thanks, Mom. I needed that. Choosing the cutest lemur in here is an impossible task for me.
Oh, what are you doing? Oh, wait. Very cute. Oh, okay. You can sit up there then.
Thinking of nothing but his owner's safety, the dog charged ahead with incredible bravery.
Oh, cantik-cantik. Bella-bella, ceweknya. Bisa kan kita gitu.
Yeah, make a mess, why don't you? Of course, go straight down.
Sorry, Dad, but once food is involved, you will be demoted to second place.
Oh, it's my turn.
It's my turn!
Wow, is this a dance class? And is our main instructor a sea lion? No cheeks were harmed. It was just all the missed time finally coming out in those kisses. They may be outgrowing their size, but they'll forever be kids at heart who want to be cuddled.
Look at that face.
Height difference is never an issue when you want an affectionate kiss from someone.
What are you doing? Help me out for school?
Yeah.
Who's that? He's going so good, isn't he? Yeah. He's just living the dream.
Sometimes, absence makes our hearts grow fonder, so the duck becomes even more attached. In the eyes of this tiny goat, those shoulders are great peaks waiting to be climbed.
Wait, what?
Tucked away in those cozy arms, the fox's 2-hour nap shows no signs of ending. Coming up, an unbelievable rescue mission by Mini Black Panther Warrior. Hey, pal, give me your hand. According to scientists, hugging is the key to reducing stress and anxiety. And this sloth clearly got the memo. This reminds me of Avatar 2, The Way of Water. Anyone else feel the same? The situation might have been staged, but the dog's effort to save his human came from a place of pure, undeniable love.
Keto, good? Is it good?
The skill of this baker is next level. I don't even have to take a bite to be sure these cookies taste incredible.
So hard.
One ticket to Melbourne Zoo has been added to my cart. Which was the most impressive moment for you? Hit the subscribe button and let us know in the comments below. Every tale, every tale.
That's my ass. Get off me ass. My ass. Oh yeah.